Sarka is the Finnish National Museum of Agriculture, situated in Loimaa, southwestern Finland. Sarka is surrounded by the most fertile agricultural land, and the region's economy and industry also greatly depend on agriculture. The museum was established in 2005, and the idea for this museum came from local people. Though Sarka is managed by a private foundation, it is categorized as a National Museum of Agriculture, and it is also partly funded by the Finnish state.
The museum's collections consist of agricultural tools, machines and other items, as well as photographs, archives and literature. The museum also seeks to record current agriculture and its changes to future generations.
The most visible part of Finnish Agricultural Museum's work are the exhibitions, situated in 3 big exhibition halls and in the outdoor areas surrounding the museum. The exhibition Age of Agriculture presents the story of farming in Finland through people, cultivation, as well as domesticated animals and landscape. The exhibition shows how people have earned their everyday bread from the prehistoric times to the modern days in the northernmost agricultural country in the world. Before Machines exhibition focuses on traditional agriculture in Finland. The exhibition is based on the collections of the former Museum of Agriculture of the University of Helsinki.
This exceptional collection was salvaged from a vast mold contamination and placed in a new location here at Loimaa. This exhibition presents tools, implements, vessels, containers and other objects used in Finland in the 18th century. The items are mostly made from wood.
Along with work that took place in the fields, the exhibition presents animal husbandry, work in the farmhouse and the farmyard, and the additional livelihoods of hunting, fishing, forestry and various handicrafts. The 3rd exhibition hall is reserved for the history of mechanization and machinery. The exhibition is currently being renewed and modified to become a comprehensive and versatile representation of the role of machines in agriculture and a space for learning through multifaceted modern methods. Sarka has taken considerable digital advantages during the last few years, and a great part of its collections and also exhibitions are now accessible online. During the COVID-19 pandemic, digitalization and remote activities such as guided tours and workshops have become very popular, especially among schools.
Recently, the Museum of Agriculture has also strengthened its focus on food under the Food Museum concept. The events, exhibitions, tours, workshops and online content produced under the Food Museum allow people to explore food and food production from different perspectives.
Current global challenges in climate, food production and consumption increase the need for the museum to present the impact of the food choices we make. Sarka wants to bring historical perspective to this conversation. The Finnish Agricultural Museum Sarka cooperates with the leading agricultural research centers and universities to provide more topical contents to its permanent and temporary exhibitions and events. The museum also works as an expert organization, consulting for different scientific projects, media, and ordinary people. Sarka collects, preserves and presents the history of agriculture while following the current events and phenomena. Knowing your history makes the future. Sarka, the Finnish Museum of Agriculture, was granted the 2021 Finnish Museum of the Year prize.